I've summed up my 5 takeaways and thoughts about this book in this video. I highly recommend you to read the original book of the author. Please share with me your opinion about this book in the comments below. Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is a comprehensive guide to understanding the world of trading and the strategies that can be employed to achieve success in the markets. The book is written in an accessible and easy-to-understand style, making it perfect for novice traders who are just starting out. The book begins by introducing the reader to the basics of trading, including the different types of financial instruments, the mechanics of buying and selling, and the importance of risk management. It then goes on to discuss the various trading strategies that can be used to maximize profits and minimize risk, including trend following, range trading, and mean reversion. One of the strengths of Trading Strategies Crash Course is its focus on practical advice and real-world examples. The author provides numerous case studies and examples of successful trades, as well as highlighting common mistakes that traders should avoid. This approach helps to reinforce the key concepts and strategies covered in the book, and provides readers with a solid foundation upon which to build their own trading strategies. Another strength of the book is its emphasis on the importance of psychology in trading. The author stresses the need for traders to remain disciplined, patient, and focused in order to succeed in the markets. He also provides tips and techniques for managing emotions such as fear and greed, which can often lead to poor decision-making and costly mistakes. Overall, Trading Strategies Crash Course is an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their trading skills and develop a successful trading strategy. The book covers a wide range of topics in a clear and concise manner, and provides readers with practical advice and real-world examples that they can apply to their own trading. Whether you are a novice trader just starting out, or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, this book is definitely worth reading. The first point from Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is about introducing the basics of trading. The author provides a clear and concise explanation of various financial instruments and how they work, including stocks, bonds, options, futures, and currencies. The book also covers the mechanics of buying and selling these instruments, including the role of brokers and exchanges. Moreover, the author highlights the importance of risk management in trading, which is crucial for protecting capital and avoiding significant losses. The book explains various risk management techniques, such as stop-loss orders, position sizing, and diversification, which traders can use to manage their risk exposure. Overall, the first point serves as a foundation for readers who are new to trading or want to refresh their understanding of the basics. By understanding financial instruments and risk management, traders can make informed decisions and develop effective trading strategies. The second point from Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is about different trading strategies. The book covers a range of trading strategies that traders can use to maximize profits and minimize risk, including trend following, range trading, and mean reversion. Trend following involves identifying and trading in the direction of a trend, which can be either upward or downward. Range trading involves buying and selling at the support and resistance levels of a price range, while mean reversion involves trading in the opposite direction of a trend in the hope that prices will revert to their mean. The book provides real-world examples of successful trades for each of these strategies, which helps readers understand how these strategies work in practice. Additionally, the author provides advice on how to select the right trading strategy based on market conditions and individual trading goals. Overall, the second point highlights the importance of having a well-defined trading strategy and explains different approaches that traders can use to achieve their trading objectives. By understanding and implementing these strategies, traders can increase their chances of success in the markets. The third point from Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is about the importance of psychology in trading. The author emphasizes that successful trading requires more than just technical knowledge and skill, it also requires discipline, patience, and emotional control. The book provides guidance on managing emotions such as fear and greed, which can often lead to poor decision-making and costly mistakes. For example, the author recommends setting clear trading goals, developing a trading plan, and sticking to it to avoid emotional trading decisions. He also suggests using stop-loss orders and other risk management techniques to limit losses and reduce the emotional impact of trading. The book also emphasizes the importance of self-awareness in trading, which involves recognizing one's own biases and tendencies and working to overcome them. By understanding their own emotions and biases, traders can make more rational and objective trading decisions. Overall, the third point highlights the fact that trading is as much about psychology as it is about technical analysis and strategy. By managing emotions and staying disciplined, traders can overcome common psychological pitfalls and achieve long-term success in the markets. The fourth point from Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is about common trading mistakes and how to avoid them. The author explains that even experienced traders make mistakes, but it's important to recognize and learn from them to improve one's trading performance over time. The book highlights several common trading mistakes, such as overtrading, chasing losses, and failing to use proper risk management techniques. Overtrading can lead to exhaustion and poor decision-making, while chasing losses can cause traders to take unnecessary risks and incur greater losses. The author also emphasizes the importance of having a trading plan and sticking to it. Failing to follow a trading plan can lead to impulsive and emotional trading decisions, which can be detrimental to one's trading performance. To avoid these mistakes, the author provides practical tips and advice, such as setting realistic trading goals, using stop-loss orders to limit losses, and staying disciplined in one's trading approach. The book also includes case studies and examples of common mistakes to help readers recognize and avoid these pitfalls in their own trading. Overall, the fourth point highlights the importance of self-awareness and continuous learning in trading. By recognizing and learning from common trading mistakes, traders can improve their trading performance over time and achieve greater success in the markets. I can explain point 5 in more detail. The fifth point from Trading Strategies Crash Course by Andrew Elder is about the role of technology in trading. The author explains how technological advancements have transformed the financial markets and created new opportunities for traders. The book covers various technological tools and platforms that traders can use to analyze market data, execute trades, and manage their portfolios more effectively. For example, the author explains how charting software can be used to identify trends and patterns in market data, while algorithmic trading systems can automate trading decisions based on predetermined rules and criteria. The author also highlights the importance of staying up to date with technological advancements and adapting to changing market conditions. This includes staying informed about new technologies and tools that can enhance one's trading performance and leveraging them to gain a competitive edge in the markets. Overall, the fifth point emphasizes the importance of incorporating technology into one's trading approach and leveraging technological advancements to improve one's trading performance. By using technology to analyze market data, automate trading decisions, and manage portfolios, traders can gain a deeper understanding of the markets and make more informed and profitable trading decisions. Thank you for your interest in this book. Please leave your feedback on these thoughts in the comments below, or just put a like on this video. It will help me stay motivated and make more videos like this. In the description of this video, you may find links where you can purchase this book.